Use T-slots and clamps. In this video, we'll identify methods of holding stock on a machine and compare various methods for holding stock. When just learning how to program a part to be cut, it can be easy to forget about how it's held. If you aren't coming from a shop background, it can be even easier because you really won't know what's available. In this lesson, we'll be exploring fixturing and work holding options that aren't vices. All machine tables will have slots running along the x-axis for use with T-nuts. In most cases, these are used to hold down a vise, which we'll get to, but there will be times when a vise just isn't the right option. Stock might be too large for a vise, it might have complex geometry, or it just might prohibit the use of a vise in some other means. So we can talk about things like custom soft jaws or really any other type of fixturing, but we want to specifically talk about what we have here in the Haas factory outlet in Colfax, North Carolina. Here we have a Haas VF3 SSYT, which means it has an extended Y travel over the VF3 SS. The table in this mill will be similar to any mill you come across, so it's a great example. Let's say that we need to hold down this block and machine a few small features in the face, but sadly we don't have an extra vise available right now. Another option is to use a clamp set like this. We have T-slot, nuts, studs, nuts, step blocks, and clamps with a matching serration. We simply need to position the clamps in a location we aren't going to machine, set them up properly, and now we have a rigid connection between our stock and the machine. Through our course, we will be focusing on vices as well as fixturing for multi-axis setups, but I encourage you to look through the available clamping options such as wedge clamps, mighty bites, toggle clamps, or any other commercially available options when you are planning your next work holding.